Hi, this is Visible 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check reviews on Amazon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you buy items through Amazon, writing reviews can not only help other people make informed purchases, but it can also help you keep track of the things that do and don't work for you. Once you publish an Amazon review, you can go back in and make changes if, for example, you find that the long-term experience of owning an item is different than the first impressions. You can also hide reviews from view if you decide you don't want other people to see it for any reason. So here's if you want to buy products, but before you buy the products, you want to see the preview of that products. How to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon. Now you can just choose on the product that you want to see the reviews. Maybe for the example, I will just choose this product. You can open the product. Now you can just scroll down. You can scroll down. Here, if you see more, here's the product specifications. And if you want to see the review, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option reviews on in it on the top of your screen. You can just tap on that. So here you can see the review of these products. You can read like from the good review and also worse. You can see on here. So simple, right? So that is how to check reviews on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.